Hi, today I'm with me Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store app now and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge App. So now we should get this first application, that's why to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that just tap to open the app, click draw over apps and now just find here Muviz Edge application, tap on the switcher, go back and switch here Edge lights to AD. Select one from these available tabs, for example let's use this one, click to apply and now let's just lock the device and press twice to the power key button. Okay, tap to allow here, don't forget to tap to allow, and now we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.